Rocky, I've been working so long. My eyes are tired.
It will be worth it. Those little dinosaurs are gonna love it. Once we have them in the sky with nowhere to run, it will be dinner time.
Come on! Garou, I can't watch. Even if you don't win a prize, maybe you'll get another free spin. Oh, hooray! Ah. Wow! Oh my, I can't believe it! Nina, you won the mystery jackpot! Yippee! It was worth spending all my allowance and all these balloons to get the winning entry. You guys can come with me to see what I won. Garou, sir! I won the mystery jackpot and we're here to claim the prize!
Guru, welcome! Guru, you are so lucky! Congratulations! You are our very first winner! The mystery prize is a balloon ride!
Wow!
Climb on in! The balloon ride is about to set sail!
Oh, that's so fantastic! I know I can fly, but being in a hot air balloon makes me nervous. Don't be afraid! I will protect you!
Here we go!
Wow, it's so beautiful! Look, Pally, that's your house! I can't look. I'm afraid of heights. But Pally, don't you fly this high with your wings? Well, that's different. I'm in control.
Now, to add to the fun and help everyone relax, we have planned a game.
Hey, we're up in the clouds. Reach out to me. Where are you? I can't see.
Yeah. All right. Oh no! That wasn't the plan!
Sir, why did you bite his tail?
Roar! Because I'm hungry and meant to bite you! Time to hunt. There's nowhere for you to escape this time.
Oh no! My hands! I can't hold on! Nina! Transform! Garou! Go, Dino! I thought I'd turn into the Iron T-Rex, but instead the badge turned into a parachute. Now how am I going to save Nina? Hold on! Oh? Thank goodness for the parachutes. We're saved! Our balloon ride up turned into a parachute ride down. You were so brave and saved me! Garou, you got over your fear of heights! I am? I did? Yeah, next time we take a balloon ride, you'll have a good time. All that flying made me tired. I need to go home and rest.
Somebody help us! Can anyone save us?
Who stole my package?
I'll get fired from my delivery job!
What? Did I lose them?